Hello, welcome to my channel, Hevlendordesigns. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a simple creative logo design in few minutes with a rectangle tool. Just pick a rectangle tool and make a rectangle and duplicate this. And with your shape tool, you make a round the corners and rotate this to an angle of 45 degrees. Flip to duplicate and align both ends. So with this, we rotate this to 45 degrees, flip it, and align it to this. You can get it perfectly, use the grid line. Flip your grid line to 45. Okay, align it to the object. Then you can align the object. So this is how easy that is. Double click to select just this node to apply the curve on it, so you can adjust it to suit. Now to guideline. You can zoom in to have a better view. Okay, this is fine. So now we can click these two objects and weld them together. And with the shape tool, the smart view tool, you can make a shape out of this. Let's use black or green here, whichever color that suits you. Transparency to apply a shade. You can power click this to avoid it moving around. So this is it, as simple as this. We just flip, right click to duplicate. I think this space is enough. Hold, select the both of them, hold shift, click on the second one, click on the center and rotate. So this is what we have. So you can change the colors to suit. Apply some more gradients to make this look. If you're new to this channel, find this tutorial interesting, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial.